Are you planning an international trip and thinking about renting a car? It's exciting, but here's the million-dollar question. Does your personal auto insurance cover you overseas? The answer? Well, it's not always a simple yes or no. Let's break it down so you can hit the road worry-free. Hi, I'm Cody Kovash from Trailstone. Today we're tackling a common travel question. Josh from Denver asked, will my car insurance cover a rental abroad? So let's talk about this. Whether you're cruising the Amalfi Coast or navigating downtown Toronto, understanding your coverage can save you from unexpected costs. Let's get into it. Where you're going matters when you are renting a car. In Canada, most US policies extend seamlessly. Just carry your proof of insurance. If you're heading to Mexico, you'll need insurance from a Mexican provider. US policies aren't generally recognized there. And in Europe, Australia, Asia, and beyond, your personal coverage usually doesn't apply. Rental companies will provide basic coverage, but it's often limited. So to recap, most US auto insurance policies cover rentals within the States and sometimes Canada. But once you cross the Atlantic or head south into Mexico, that coverage usually stops. Even if your policy extends abroad, it might only cover liability, meaning damage you cause to others, not the rental car itself. In medical coverage, that often doesn't follow you overseas. Rental companies offer their own insurance. They're usually set up in packages. So collision damage waiver covers damage to the rental, but excludes tires, windows, and undercarriage. Loss damage waiver is similar to CDW, but includes theft protection. So third-party liability covers damage you cause to others. This is usually mandatory in many countries. And personal accident insurance covers medical expenses for you and your passengers. And don't forget about credit card coverage. Many travel cards offer rental insurance if you pay with the card and decline the rental company's CDW. But read the fine print. Some exclude countries like Italy, Israel, and Ireland. Okay, here are some other considerations. Travel insurance often includes rental car protection covering collision and theft. It's usually cheaper than what the rental company offers, but it rarely covers liability. And if you're traveling for work, check with your employer. Personal policies often exclude business rentals, but a company's commercial policy might cover you. So before you rent abroad, here's your checklist. Call your insurer about international coverage, check if your credit card offers rental insurance, review the rental company's options, consider travel insurance for added peace of mind, and know the driving laws in your destination. Safe travels and happy driving. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips from Trailstone. See you on the road.